Starling Tech Incorporated.
Are you looking to become a skilled Hadoop developer?
Want to land a job with ease and grow your Hadoop developing career?
We're here to help.
At Starling Tech Incorporated, we offer an on-demand Hadoop developer course that delivers the key concepts and expertise developers need to develop and code high-performance Hadoop applications. We provide mock interview session, recruitment and consultation, and job placement.
Simply join us and get to interact with our experienced trainers.
We'll help you become a skilled Hadoop developer through hands-on industry-based projects.
Enroll today at starlingtechinc.com to get started.
2115 Starling Avenue, Bronx, New York, 10462, USA.